Hello guys, my name is Jaideep. I am here to tell you about what is software testing, why the software testing is important in the software development lifecycle and software industry, and how it influences the software industry in developing applications. So, now coming to what is software testing. Software testing is the process of identifying the correctness and completeness of the completed software that is ready to be delivered to the end user. So, in simple words, it is the identification of the errors and defects that are present in the software or an application that is developed. So, the motto of the software testing is to make the software a defect free by using the set of principles and set of activities. So, now why is software testing is important in software development lifecycle or in developing of an application or software? For explaining this concept, we can go into the history considering that there is a aircraft crash in the China, a craft name called A300 Airbus that led to the death of 294 people. After investigating the reason behind this crash, they implemented that the reason is a software bug that is present in the aircraft software. So, if the software testing is conducted during the process life cycle, this accident might not happen and the loss of 294 people might not happen. So, considering this simple example, there are a lot of examples in the real world that tells us the importance of the software testing. So, software testing is must and should to implement the software and develop and deliver the software to the end user. So, now considering the process life cycle and the role of software testing in the development of software, there are some techniques and specifications of software testing and are simply the principles of software testing like static technique and dynamic technique testing. Static testing is done by the test manager and it is made in three steps: review, inspection, and walkthrough. Review. Review is nothing but the cross verification of the work done by the software tester or software developer. It generally takes place to the work done till date by the software tester or the software developer. Now coming to inspection, it is a sudden walkthrough to the through the work done by the software tester and developer. There is no initiate or intimate information in front in prior to the software tester and software developer. There will be sudden verification. Now coming through walkthrough. Walkthrough is nothing but the combination of both review and inspection. These three are done in intent of static testing. Now coming to dynamic testing. Dynamic testing is also known as validation. The main characters or the players of dynamic testing is software tester or an software manager, software tester or an software developer. In dynamic testing, there are two types of testings: functional testing and non-functional testing. Now coming to functional testing is nothing but the testing of the full function of the software, the working function, the working flow of the software. That is from considering from the inputs and the deliverers of the software, that is outputs of the software, everything is tested. Now coming to non-functional testing. Non-functional testing, the parameters like security, preservance, and some other parameters are considered for non-functional testing. And some other characters or parameters like reliability, integrity, performance, liability, etc. are tested and developed in non-functional testing. And in functional testing, there are three types of testings: white box testing, black box testing, gray box testing. Now, considering now considering each and every type of functional testing, in black box testing they only consider on input and output, and the main player of black box testing is a software tester. In this black box testing, input is given to the software and the output is verified by cross verification of expected and favorable in output. In white box testing, everything inside the software is tested, that is coding, designing, and the combination of both coding and design is tested in white box testing. Gray box testing is combination of both black box and white box testing. And the white box testing is done by the software developer. And in gray box testing, both developer and the software tester acts as the players. So these three acts as the main backbone of software testing field. Now, considering all the terms, all the features, all the activities mentioned above make the software testing liable or important in the software development field or software industry. Thank you.